crazy because you do get so much love. But you're then like, where's the
Box.
where are the ticket sales? Huh?
Real love.
Yeah. सब लोग ने कहीं टेलीग्राम में देखा है क्या? क्या लग रहा है? And I mean, I have nothing against tentpole films. I enjoy a lot of them. In fact, if you finish on time, maybe I'll go watch Dhurandhar today. People decide which film they should question.
Yeah.
And which film not to.
Not to
So you might have a film where, I don't want to take names, but crazy things are happening. The main characters kill many people, but there's no police in this country only. Nobody's come after him. Nobody's going to ask that question.
Ki
But
logic-
1,000 questions will be asked of her because she comes in that logical framework. So it's crazy. If you behave illogical, then nobody asks you any question and you get away with it.
सडनली एक दिन हम लोग को मैंने देखा यार ये तो देयर वाज अ लाइक अ ग्रुप ऑफ मेन विद मिसेस पोस्टर. पहले तो मैं बहुत एक्साइट हो गई कि अरे वाह हमारे किसी ने जाके प्रिंटर से सो क्यूट प्रिंटर से प्रिंट आउट लिया. मतलब कितना एफर्ट ना आज के वर्ल्ड में लाइक हार्ड कॉपी लेके कोई खड़ा है. फिर पता चला कि नो वी आर अगेंस्ट मिसेस वी आर टॉकिंग अगेंस्ट मेन एंड लाइक तो मुझे लगा ओ ये तो नेगेटिव बोल रहे जाके लाइक यू नो क्योंकि हमारे ऐसे एक स्क्रीनिंग में हुआ था. एक ने बोला था कि बहुत गलत है और मैं उल्टा समझ ली थी तो मैं बोला था थैंक यू सो मच सच में गलत है. सो हरमन बोला था कि नहीं आरती ये बोल रहे हैं कि तुम गलत हो गई. बोले ओ अब तो गया वो क्वेश्चन तो अभी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर करते हैं लाइक सो वी वर लिटिल बिट लाइक दैट.
The films that we make, we only make it about the 15% of the population of India. We do not make films about the rest of the 75%. It's always upper caste narratives, made and created by upper caste narratives. Then you're ignoring 75% of the population is always left in the lurch. It could also mean that you're only talking about urban population or small town, where you make fun of their English, you make fun of how they look. But 60 to 70% of our economy is agrarian, and they are in villages. Why aren't we talking about villages? Why aren't we presenting them?
Over the years, when you've started, you're naive, you're new, आप नए हो. लेकिन over the years, आप फिल्म बनाते intellectually you grow, right?
करेक्ट
आपके aesthetics, आपके taste,
बिल्कुल.
सब, but you overpass your audience. So how do you go back and cater to them and still be true to yourself? That's the challenge. I think या तो सोचो ही मत. नीरज नहीं सोचता है और वो मतलब it's just to be myself. So I think overtake उसको सोचना नहीं चाहिए. या तो कि आप वो स्ट्रैप में फंस गए ना कि हाउ टू बी ऑफ बीट बट ऑन पाथ. तो ऑफ बीट ऑन पाथ अभी मुश्किल हो गया है. बहुत मुश्किल हो गया है.
I feel it also limits men. Like I feel मुझे याद है कि मैंने जब when I left my job to try for films, मुझे किसी ने बोला था कि you're lucky. मेरा बहुत close friend था. You're lucky as a woman you can take the chance because if you're not earning it's okay. But as a man I cannot do it, and that's because the expectations from patriarchy is from them. So we have to like really free up everybody little bit from all these responsibilities. I feel that. Yeah, that's the problem.
That's a much longer journey. We had rape scenes in Hindi films because we could not have sex scenes in Hindi films. So rape scenes started being in all the 80s films. Like I had written a blog, by the way, Passion for Cinema called Rapometer, where the number who did the maximum number, I think Prem Chopra did about 208 rape scenes. The second was Ranjit, then Shakti Kapoor, then, So there are, and you only had rape scenes because they could not show sex.
Yeah.
The Vamp could do an item number. That's the reason item numbers came, because they could do skin show. In a rape scene, the heroine's clothes could be torn. They couldn't be kind of removed consensually.
Yeah.
So that became something, I mean, if you...
And that has something to do with, I think, the violence against women in India.
I agree.
So I completely agree.
I don't know. I think we are even below some of the, countries that you could not imagine. There, women are safer there than India. And I think all of this has something to do with it.
नहीं सही बात
For sure.
Yeah, no, I wanted to say this one thing also, that post Mrs. some of the films that I was getting was that like a girl is raped by 5 men and she finds herself, and always felt that why should rape be the trigger for a woman to find herself? Like why is that?